figure below is not drawn to scale, which means what? Which means that you cannot take a ruler and weigh a measure. So this is what it means by not drawn to scale. It's made up of a semicircle with a center O and a square of side 6 cm. What's the perimeter of the whole figure? So if this is a square, which means that this will be 6 as well, and this will be 6, and this will be 6. So usually what I'll tell my student, if they catch questions like this, right, to get the perimeter of the figure, to use a highlighter. Okay, I don't have a highlighter, so I'm just going to use a marker. Okay, just go and outline the sides that they need to add up together, okay, so that they do not include the sides that are not needed, like this is not included, okay, and go and label all of them. Okay, so this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So we know that our answer will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So while parents are watching this will be a good practice to remind your kids about this portion. Okay, how do we find 1? 1 will be the circumference of a semicircle, right? Circumference of a semicircle, I told you before, it will be half multiplied by pi times d. Your pi is given to be 3.14, so remember, use their pi value. Do not go and use your own 22/7. It's half multiplied by 3.14. And what's the diameter over here? Since the radius is given to be 6 cm, right, over here, the radius is 6 cm, therefore your diameter will be 2 of radius, which will be 12 cm. Okay, so it's half times 3.14 times 12. Let's throw this figure in the calculator and let's see what we get. Okay, half multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 12, therefore giving us 18.84. Okay, so this will be 18.84 plus, what's number 2? Number 2 is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Therefore, this will give us 42.84. Okay, so this is the answer, option 4. So what am I teaching you in this video today? This is the method of remembering. Okay, teach your kids about this. If you're a student, this will be a good practice for you, because your future question will not be as simple as this. It may be made up of like 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or even 10 shapes joined together, and then they'll ask you to go and find a parameter, and this will be a fantastic way to remind yourself. Okay, this is a fantastic working style.